Authority local forecast.
Welcome back, everybody. We're definitely bracing for some wet weather here in the desert Southwest. The question is, how much of it are we actually going to get? Let's take a look at your RV World Yuma Sky Cam, giving you a glimpse of a little bit of overcast skies with the water towers, as you can see, not gleaming in the sun. Now, here's what we're looking at beyond this particular vantage point, and we're going further south because Nora actually made it to the Baja Peninsula, and, well, needless to say, it fell apart. You can see that if anything, it's just pockets of cloud coverage. You don't really see the moisture content, but it is heading northward, so that's starting to have more of an effect on the southwest U.S. The effects are not obvious now, but it should be by tomorrow. You can even see that we've had plenty of pop down over in Tucson, down over in the Baja Peninsula as well, even stretching into the northern tier of the desert Southwest also. We'll get into that in just a second, but we do have a flash flood alert, as in a flash flood watch encompassing all of the state of Arizona. The entire state being soaked up in this, most of Southern California. And so you know that moisture is definitely going to have its influence. Again, the question is how much in our area. And you can see it already popping up in many respects in the southern tier of Arizona, but we're just getting started with that. You can see that, yes, that poppage continues. And you're starting to see a bit of a broken line formation around the Blythe area. Again, a severe thunderstorm earlier in the Quartzsite area. And again, so far, just pockets of isolated stuff. Again, it's going to be more widespread as we get on into Tuesday. You can see temperatures pretty close to averages, if not above that. Now, Ida has definitely had its impact. You know, Jenny and Donna's been talking about this earlier. You can see it's going to become a tropical storm, but it's moving very slowly. A lot of hurricanes just zip right through. This one dropping lots of rain, which is not a good thing because, again, New Orleans just being at the elevation that it's at, to start with, the levee issues they've had over the years as well, and there's that system continuing to roll through slowly. And then, of course, we're going to have the influence of Nora here in the desert Southwest. The future rainfall is not looking extremely promising as far as what we're going to be picking up. So from this vantage point, the bulk of it could be above an inch of rainfall near the Blythe area. Other inches or other areas much lighter. Again, this is subject to change, obviously. We'll continue to keep our eyes peeled on that. Your Metrocast, you can see we're definitely going to be dealing with some pretty gnarly conditions as far as the moisture content is concerned. You can see the air quality index presented by the Imperial County Air Pollution Control District. Got a bit of a mixed bag there. And, of course, for your extended forecast, we are going to have a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms Tuesday for both Yuma, Imperial Valley, before we calm things down, before we can potentially get back to it next week.